My name is Jessie. I love art, nature, horses, and simple living. This is the Minimal Artist. Even though I'm a minimalist, I still get a messy desk if I do too many projects at once. Today I'll be showing you how to keep your area clean, as well as show you how to get paint off your desk. So first I find similar things and group them together. I got these tiny boxes, one blue and one pink, to put erasers and trinkets into. I take out the items that I use the most, which can be different for you depending on what you do the most, which for me is 2 pencils, 1 pair of scissors, 1 good eraser, 1 ruler, 1 Sharpie, 1 digital pen, 1 roll of clear tape, and a pencil sharpener. So here you can see me putting like items together, like the pencils, the glue, and the tape. And then the next step will be to start making sure you have everything that you want to stay on your desk in a separate pile off to the side so that you know that you're not going to put that away. And you can see me there choosing a ruler that I want and putting it in a little container so that I can make sure I have that when I finish putting together my desk. I then take a medium or a large tub, depending on how many items are left on the table. I put the items on the table into the tub in a way that it's easy to access everything. I have a 9-box shelf organizer to put this tub into, but any shelf or desk space would work. The last step to cleaning your desk is to place everything back into its spot on your desk. This means placing pens and pencils and taller things together, as well as little erasers and sharpeners together. Since, as you can see, my desk has paint all over it, I will clear my desk back off and show you how to clean tough paint. Get a roll of paper towels and a bottle of any kind of Windex. You're going to spray the surface with a bunch of Windex and scrub away. Here it is a little later. It still has a bit of paint and some paper mache on it, so I will do one more scrub. Now I will spray all of the spots and let them sit for at least 5 minutes. You can do it longer depending on how bad your stains are, but keep in mind the stuff that's done with oil paint or water-soluble paint is not going to come off unless you have some magical stuff, but Windex probably won't fix that. This here is acrylic paint, which was water-soluble, thankfully, because I made a huge mess, but it'll work on most things. You can always look it up too to see what different products would work on anything else that hasn't come off after you do this process. When I'm done, it looks almost good as new. I will replace my supplies and project on a clean desk. Just a quick tip that I learned the hard way. When you paint, put down some kind of cardboard or a cutting board that you don't care about, like me. That way you don't have to spend over 10 minutes scrubbing it off. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, go check out my channel where I post every Monday, and subscribe to make sure you see all my videos about art, nature, horses, and simple living. See you next time. Bye!